In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a new contact inside of Freshsales. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Freshsales like you usually would. Then from here, you need to log into your account, of course. Then from here, you need to go over to the menu where it says contacts and click on it. Then you'll see an overview of all of your already existing contacts over here. And as you can see, you can make bulk actions, you can filter by, and you can go up here to select a view if you want to do that. Then from here, to create a new one, you still need to close the filter down and go over here to add a contact. Then from here, you can go up to, you'll see this icon pop up, and you'll need to add an email address. You'll need to add a first name, a last name if you want to do that. You can add an account if you want to do that by either writing, or you can also search or create a new one if you want to do that. Over here, you can also add a job title where you can, again, search for it. And down here, you can also add the mobile phone number. Then from here, when you're done, you can go down to also show all fields, where you can really customize this contact if you want to do that. Here, you can also add into more accounts. You can add the work phone number, also the mobile phone number, and you can add the sales owner, where you can choose between yourself or any other in your team. Then from here, you can simply click save, and then FreshBooks will pop up with this over here. And here you can do even more, like add a tax to this specific contract. You can add a location. You can see when it was created. You can add the deals, a meeting, a mail, or a call log, a square, a sequence. And down here, you can also add more contact details. You can add a conversation with this contact. You can add the activities, accounts, deals, and you can also add in files if you want to do that. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!